Okay man, we're at part 3 today. Part 3, we've got more work done. We've got welding done for the back window this time. I've put a little bit of surface primer on the welded patches. I've also fiberglass, sanded that down, put some Bondo over it, sanded that down, and I applied primer around the top parts of the window. So we're going to go and have a little look. It's exciting stuff. We're getting there. The back part of the window has been welded together now and everything's all pieced back together. So we're looking pretty good. We're going to go for a little wander down to the garage right now. So here we go.
What have I got?
To show you, this is my house and this is the garage right next to me. So we're going to go in. Once again, much like the last video, I don't want to get anybody's vehicles into it. I just have to be careful. People can be private people and they don't want their information around and stuff like that. I understand, it's not for me, I don't care. But other people are. So right away we can see that this has been all welded in. It's looking fantastic. Beautiful job. From what I understand, it just needs a little bit taken down a little bit, perhaps down here, so the window will actually fit. But that's us there. I have applied some primer on here, and you'll see up at the top I've done sort of best I can on that. It's been filled with fiberglass and filler and sanded down. So we just need this little part done and then I can get on with spraying this section, and that's the plan. And that's part 3.